Right. So today's circuit is mostly shoulders. So we're going to start off with push-ups. Alright, so shoulder stability is important for me. So we're pushing. So this is the isometric exercise. So I'm going to push it 10 times. Obviously the wall isn't going to move, so it's isometric. So this is all shoulder stability. To the other side. So when you're on doing a circuit, there's no breaks in between. From here, we're going to go lateral raise. And we're going to do pull-ups. It's going to train the ab with the deltoids. Just a little bit of flexibility, squats, all the squats. Each one is a 10 reps around. This is round 7. Go ahead and try that for 10 rounds. Alright, so focusing a lot more on cardio. Cardio is important. Cardio, we're not thinking about fat loss. Nothing about physique, thinking about building and strengthening that engine, which is going to be your cardiovascular, your heart, your lungs, mitochondrial health. Your mitochondria is the energy factories of your body. The more efficient that is, the less fatigue you have throughout the day. So I'm thinking about energy, thinking about movement, thinking about developing and strengthening that energy. So that's the important thing, right? So I moved away from physique and just the looks and appearance, which is what we usually mistake in fitness for. It's fat loss, but there's so much more. It's energy, it's efficiency, it's productivity, benefits your daily life, not just fat loss, not just appearance. So we're gonna, the scapula right here, this is the scapula, people call it the shoulder blade. When that gets tight, what we're gonna do is we're gonna have it come out a bit, so she's standing with her arms behind her. So then she's gonna grab the bar just with one arm. She's gonna move forward. There you go. See, so now you see how I can reach under the scapula. So this scapula actually gets tight. If that gets really tight, we lose shoulder mobility. So we're gonna stretch that out. And it's about, we'll do about 30 seconds, and then we'll switch to the other side. So that's how you're gonna stretch out that scapula and lift that up. So when I'm massaging clients, sometimes they can't lift their arm up. It's because they're lacking that scapular mobility. So we're trying to bring that scapula, get that scapula to pop up. So you see how I can almost reach under there? That's what we want to do.